to the Moiz and Zahra channel where we teach you math. Smash those like and subscribe buttons and let's get started. Today we're going to learn about percents.
What are percent?
So, you know how it says per cent, right? Percent. That basically means it's per 100. Cent means 100, okay? So it could be 18 over 100. It's basically per 100, okay? Anything, per could be any number below 100 or 100 itself, okay? Okay, let's just erase all that. And let's start on our question. So here they tell us what percentage is it, okay? And we'll just try to find the percentage.
Okay.
Okay, so let's count the how many of them are colored or shaded, okay? So one column is how many?
10.
The other one?
20.
And half of the other one is?
25.
So we have 0.25, right?
Yeah, that's how we write it in decimal.
Yeah, so now we have to convert it to a percentage. And to convert it to a percentage, you multiply by 100, right? Because that's how many we have here. So move the decimal point 2 and you get 25%, right? Or you can just do like this, imagine this as 100%, as one whole, okay? And it's, out of that one whole, there's 25%. There's 25 of them that are shaded in, right? So you can just directly go to 25, right?
You just have to count.
Yeah.
You can count.
Yeah, so 25, we'll write 25% like this. 25%. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5
55.
5 columns that are filled, right?
That's
That's 50, and another one.
55.
55.
So that's
0.55. Multiply that by 100. And we get what? 55%.
I think the other way is easier to just count the numbers.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 of them are completely filled. So that's 90%, right?
Yep.
And then you add the other 5.
95.
Multiply that by 100
and 95%.
It's 95%. Okay?
Okay.
And then here we just have 4 completely filled, so 0.4. And then
I thought it was 30.
it's the same thing. So look, multiply by 100, you add the 0 here and you get 40%.
Oh, okay.
So it's 40%. Okay? Okay, and you're done.
Percent is easy.
Yeah. But there's a lot more to it.
Okay.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Smash those like and subscribe buttons.